Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Schwab mutual funds. In this video, we will walk you through the steps necessary to purchase mutual funds through Charles Schwab. First, you need to open a Schwab account if you do not already have one. Go to the Schwab website and click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to provide personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and financial details. Once your account is set up, you will receive confirmation via email. Now that your account is active, log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Research tab at the top of the page. From there, select Mutual Funds. You will see various options for researching funds by categories such as performance, expenses, and types. Use the filter options to narrow down your choices based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. After finding a mutual fund that interests you, click on its name to view detailed information. This includes historical performance, fund manager details, and expense ratios. Take your time to review this information thoroughly. If you are satisfied with your choice, look for the Trade button, which is usually located near the fund details. Once you are ready to make your purchase, complete the order form by entering the amount you wish to invest. Review all the details, including any fees, and confirm your transaction. Schwab may provide a confirmation message once your order is placed. Congratulations, you have successfully bought a Schwab mutual fund. Make sure to monitor your investment and consider consulting with a financial advisor for ongoing guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.